Okay, I got a cool little device that I made that is in the shape of an anvil, and it has some unique little abilities though. This is a flint and steel, put it closer, flint and steel striker, ferro rod striker, a bottle opener, and then this part is, well, I'll just show you. You take a stick and you're wanting to make scrapings, and you just rub it back and forth, and you get all kinds of fine scrapings or curls. Like in this case with this bamboo, it made nice little curls, really small, that would ignite really quickly. So that's a scraper. I failed to bring a bottle out to open it, but you just stick it here and lift up and it opens the bottle. And let's do a flint and steel though. Some jute here, and I'll put it on top of another piece. And to tell you the truth, I haven't started fire anything with this, so this is like a first, so we'll see. But I do, if you're going to keep the lanyard on, I wrap around my hand just to get it out of the way. There we go. Put her in there. And we got fire. I'm going to stomp this out here. I can save part of my nest that way. Doesn't want to go out very fast. Okay, and then the other part is that this edge will strike a fire steel. So if you got, I got some charred wood in here, and you get the little coals going. I'll just do it out in the open here. So, handy little guy, and I really like the looks of it. It's pretty attractive if you wear it around your neck. It does look like an anvil, and I'm sorry I didn't show you the bottle opening part, but it really opens the bottle well. You just stick it there and lift up, and you got it. So bottle opener, a scraper to make curls and scrapings, flint and steel striker, and a ferro rod striker. So I guess you could use this point here to make a divot too if you wanted to. But little anvil. Well, I couldn't resist showing you the bottle opener too. So here it is. Cheers.